Yo, bitch.
What's that on that beat? Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to use the BeBella cosmetic palette, and we are taking that blue color and we are just going to press it into the eyelid. But before we apply the eyeshadow, we have to blend out any creasing going on. Just packing that blue color on my eyelid for it to be as vibrant as possible, and don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect right now. Now we are going to take that Lime Twist color from the Beauty Creations Splash of Hues Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and we are going to blend that over the blue. In circular motions, we are going to blend that right over the blue. Now we are going to go in with a darker green, and this is using the same BeBella palette, and we are going to place that dark green right underneath the lighter green. Now we are going to take a clean blending brush and blend out any harsh lines. Now we are going to take a dark deep blue from the same BeBella palette, and we are going to just dab that on the outer corner of our eye. Yeah, just dab it there and blend it inwards to the lighter blue over it. If some of your green are disappearing, just go back in with the green and blend it in some more. And I'm going to just take my concealer brush and just pass it a little bit over the eyeshadow because I want to clean it up a bit. I don't really like my eyeshadow being so close to my eyebrow. Now we're going to take the Jcat Beauty All About That Beige Glitter Eyeshadow Primer, and we're going to use that as a glue for our glitter. Just placing the glitter glue the place where I want my glitter to be. is like a cut crease, but not really cutting a crease. Now we are going to press in some glitter onto that glitter primer, and this is just basically some glitter that I just mixed. Some greens, some blues, that's all. But they're all from the Jcat glitter collection, but right now I just can't remember the names of them. Now I'm just going to go back in with some deep dark blue eyeshadow and just blend it inwards to the glitter. So I already primed and moisturized off camera. I used the Lagirl Pro Prep Primer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Spicy Brown 338, and I'm just going to put some of that foundation onto my face. Now I'm going to blend it in. Please forgive my dirty foundation brush, but this is the brush I used recently. And I'm just going to dab the foundation inwards into the skin. On the outer skirts of my face, I then use the pulling down motion for a lighter layer of foundation. Now we are going to conceal using the Cool Tan on the outer skirts of my face, well, cheeks, sorry, and medium beige right underneath the eye area. I'm going to place some on my forehead, nose, cupid's bow. Flat top brush to blend the concealer into the skin. Please forgive me, I'm having my little moment. I cannot even remember the song I was listening to, but I was litty. I'm just going over the concealed areas with the foundation brush and just blend it inward to the skin, making sure it's seamless as possible. We're going to set with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Everywhere we place the concealer, everywhere we concealed is where we are going to set. Now it's contour time. I'm using the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in the shade Deep number 5. And I'm just going to sculpt and bring back some color into the face. Yes, girl, these sorry lips. It's got to put your face in or the contour and stuff. But I don't know why I do that with my mouth. It's a norm. Lagirl Pro Face HD Definition Matte Press Powder, which is the shade Classic Tan, and we are going to sweep away all of the setting powder and making sure we don't have any flashbacks when we are done. I'm going to set my face now with the Lagirl setting spray. Just spray everywhere. So now it's blush time, and I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm using the Tayu and B, the two different color blush, and I'm just blending them into the skin. I'm not sure if I called the names correct, but please bear with me. Highlight time, and I'm using the Lemonade highlight palette and also the Jcat You Glow Girl Bake highlighter, which is in the shade Pink Goddess. And I'm just going to highlight my cheekbone area, my forehead, nose, and cupid's bone, and also a little bit on my brow bone. All finished with the highlight. I'm taking the Obsessed palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and I'm taking the dark blue, which is Joker, and I'm placing that on the outer side underneath my eye, and then I'm using Leafy on the inner corner of my eye. The tip to not have any fallout, any eyeshadow fallouts, is to use setting powder when you're doing your under eye eyeshadow color. So that way you can sweep away the setting powder and you won't have any fallouts on your makeup. I'm using the Amuse mascara, and I'm just going to pull out my lashes with it before I apply my eyelashes. It's time for lip application, and I'm using the Milani lipstick in the shade Covet, and also the nude color, which is from Elia Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade Sultry. After applying the two lipsticks, I use the popping motion in order for them to naturally blend together. Afterwards, I place a shimmery gloss over the ombre lid. Right now, I'm just using a white pigment and I'm placing that in the tear duct area. And that's the finished look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And later on, we'll be doing a post shout out. Thanks a lot for watching again.